Hello peoples, taking a wee quick flip. This is a cliff house, I'm right outside so you can't get a really good look at it, but just been in for a wee Bloody Mary and it was wonderful. So I'm going to just show you Ocean Beach, which is where the cliff house sits right on, as I walk down the hill smoking a fag. Thank God I'm not going uphill. Oh yeah. Hang on, I can't get this beach in. The cliff house is sits right over at Ocean Beach, this is called, and it just stretches from here all the way down the beach. It goes way far down to that. There's examples out there, don't know. I'll wait for a wait. Okay, so this is Ocean Beach in San Francisco. Very popular stop. Check this cheeky bastard seagull. You're lucky that's not my car, seagull. Hello, what a fag? Here, what a fag here? Here's a fag. Whoa, what a fag here? Here's a fag. Ugly thing. Okay. Daddy boggles. There's the cliff house.
It's a bit unique, that, you know.
Yeah.
Like that.
I don't know if you can spot all these surfers out there. They look like birds sitting on the water, but they're all waiting for a wave to come in. Quite a popular surfing spot. Now it's back at the cliffs again. Okay, like to walk to the car and on to the next stop. Alright y'all, we're doing some wee videos. It's my birthday, May 30th. Started off a great wee day. Deb started playing piano and woke me up with happy birthday with the piano that's sitting outside my room. And then went to the pier for breakfast and I walked in and they all were singing happy birthday. My face was scarlet. But anyway, I'm now in San Francisco heading down to Pacifica. So I'll be doing a wee few flips throughout the day. I think these people are going to jump. Don't jump! Don't jump! Bye!